Welcome back to this video. We will connect the QnA Maker service to the knowledge base that we created in the previous video. Let's go back to the portal and take it from there. We created the QnA service. Now we will connect the QnA service to the knowledge base. We'll have to step 2 the entries. Under the step 2 would be filled in, but a link to the account information will be populated. So select your Azure ID, this one. Subscription name is this one. QnA Maker service is this that you created. Select the language. Select the language here. Let's say English. Now the knowledge base name is for your reference and you can change it any time. So on base name we'll use the Microsoft bot FAQ. So we can write bot FAQ. In step 4, it says populate your knowledge base, exact question and answer files. So we need some data for the knowledge base, and we'll use an existing file provided by Microsoft Bot FAQ. Let me just download it, extract it, and upload it. I've downloaded that file, extracted that file. Let me just click on add file. Will go on to my downloads. And it would be here. The file is added. Now on the chit chat, select the professional to add a predefined personality to your KB. It says create your KB. Click on here. It is asking for us to wait. Our KB is created. So what did Microsoft? These are the questions and these are the answers. So if you click on test your knowledge base, it says test your knowledge base. To get an idea of how a bot might respond to questions, select test. Type in your question, a test panel open, ready for a question. Let's say start with hello. It says loading. It says hello, thank you. And then we'll say when will v3 retire. We'll update v3 with minor enhancement. These are the questions. So it is performing nice as of now. Let's try another question. What is included in v4? Answer is at this time migration help for bots created with this. Very nice. You can continue to test and everything else, but this is where we done for now. We'll do publish a knowledge base. So this is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video wherein we'll publish a knowledge base.